Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now by closely inspecting the USB-C cable where the break is. You want to locate the shortest damaged section. Once you see frayed shielding or bent pins, cut out the bad portion using flush cutters so you have clean ends. Next, strip about 4-6 mm of insulation from each conductor. Keep the tiny, twisted wires tidy. Make sure to slide heat shrink tubing onto the cable before any soldering, because once soldered you can't add it back on. Now focus on the midsection. Identify each conductor, power, data, ground, and configuration pins, and align them precisely. Tin both the exposed wire ends and the connector pads lightly. This helps create a quick, reliable solder joint. Solder one connection at a time to reduce heat exposure and prevent shorting adjacent pins. Once soldered, use your multimeter on continuity to verify each wire goes to the right pad. If a reading fails, finish by insulating and strengthening the repair. Slide the heat shrink over every soldered area and apply even heat so it conforms and seals gaps. Once cooled, test the cable with a low-power device to verify charging, then test data with file transfer. Observe connector temperature and stability. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to remeasure continuity and watch for shorted pins. Resolder or replace the connector if any pins are bridged or unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.